Hello, do you know that floods are one of the most common and dangerous natural disasters on the planet? They strike fast and can turn deadly in minutes. But if you know what to do at the right time to protect yourself and your family and your loved ones just to save life, in this video you will learn during, before and after flood. These tips could help make a difference. Like and hit the subscribe button. Ta-da! Now let's dive in. Preparation is your first defense. Know if your area is flood prone. Learn your evacuation route. Prepare an emergency kit with bottled water, non-perishable food, a flash, batteries, first aid kit, some cash, copies of important documents. Store valuables in waterproof container and keep electronics and charger high off the ground. Stay alert. Sign up for weather alerts. If a flood hits, act fast. Don't walk or drive through flood waters. 6 inches can knock off your feet. A foot of water can carry away cars. Get to higher grounds immediately. If you're indoors, turn off gas and electricity. It is safe. Never go into a flooded basement. If you're trapped, move upstairs. Move to the roof, not the attic, and call for help. If you are trapped, call emergency numbers to come immediately. Never go into the attic. Now, even after the water recedes, the danger isn't over. Wait for the officials. All clear before returning home. Avoid standing water. It may be contaminated or eat sharp debris. Watch out for weakened buildings, snakes, and live wire. Boil your water and use bottled water until it's declared safe. Take photos of any damage for insurance claims and seek help from local emergencies service if needed. Floods are unpredictable, but you don't have to be unprepared. Take action now. Make your emergency plan. Share this video with friends and family. Share this video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more life-saving tips. Stay safe out there.